People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Make sure say who no sub and click the belly no. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Lion foot now take your fin up a pee show no. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Big up the gully God, me buy your piece and your flow. Greetings one and all. If you're in need of any graphic artwork done, such as business card, album cover, EP cover, single cover, party flyer, you know you can link up White Shadow Music Promo at gmail.com. Yeah man, from me may get the job them well professionally done. Link him up now. Get your booking. Prices are reasonable. Yeah man. That's one greetings for people for yesterday. Me try to get the voice on your lion foot in ears and eyes. Now people quick and fast. Hope all is well. See, and big up to all who have subscribed and click the bell. If you haven't done so yet, please consider doing so. Please do. Yeah man, hear me I say man. Alright my people, well let's straight to the point now. Rockarugi, Flitters Bass, the king of stage. See, he's always coming out, giving his views, his you know what I mean, his opinions on things. And I mean he's a very opinionative person. See, so Rockarugi come out to that and he's doing another video, he sent it to me and said, yo my brother, more help me. Send out the message, you know, regarding Ninja Man and another topic as well. But we're gonna kick it off straight to the point and hear Rockarugi say, because when I say, you know, it really makes sense and a lot of people can relate, whether who are not in Jamaica. I thought like England, wherever, you know, Jamaicans there all over the world, you know what I mean? So Rockarugi touch a topic where makes sense, because some people need to realize and acknowledge, you know what I mean? And use them conscience and initiative. So here Rockarugi says straight to the point.
Yo, I'm the king of God this, you know. Here I go, I'm gonna match up this fast and quick, you know. Easily me I match up. Here I go, I want some of my friend them. Please stop. Call my phone virgin. Over the years, nearly 21 years me I look after you know. So what? I don't put on a sweetie. Stop calling my phone. Here me want call me. Here again who me want call me. Want some like a baby call me, some like a children. Some kids want call my phone. Yeah, and some like old people can call me too. Brother, stop calling my phone, brother, and not stress me out. England shut down and look like I don't want to shut down me, brethren. My advice. Leave my phone alone, brethren. 21 years now get pay goodies. Make somebody different now get a sweetie, brother. Tired of it now.
Alright. That's the first thing Rockarugi talk about. Big up Rockarugi, Flitters Bass. The man say you want some people stop calling phone. You see in life, more time there's so much I can do. And sometimes when I do the good things them, you know, you don't get the acknowledgement, you don't get the respect, you don't get the love. You know what I mean? People don't come around when they want things to be done for them in favors, you know? So you do a lot and you don't get the thanks. People turn around, bash you. People say you're ungrateful, you're mean, and then they remember the good you do. The one time you can't do a good, that's where the house tumble down. You know what I mean? We see Rockarugi went on pink wall for the wrong reason, you know, where his family them expose him. You know what I mean? Same mother, and you know, I live in such a state. Big up Frog City, big up Pienland. See? Well, Kingston 11 to 13. Everywhere in Jamaica, big up. Yeah, so Rockarugi made pink wall for the wrong reason. You know what I mean? Whether a family do it or a friend or about. It's just to show you how people stay. You know what I mean? Because they see Rockarugi have a little image, you know, clothes wise, and he might have some little money giving away, and he might always help people. Always make people cook food and them things. Always give, you know. But I know Rockarugi is not rich, but he might have a little money. But you know what I mean, as I say, whatever he do for making money, or whatever anyone do to make their money, it's no one business. See? So Rockarugi, them say mother live away, and no matter if a board house he make or a wall house or whatever, at least he have the mentality to make that happen, you know. And you know, Rockarugi sent him family, their brother and mother, everybody in England. You see me? And I'm not free to talk. I've never done that. I'm there a long time to like Rockarugi. You see? But anyway, yeah, sometimes I do things to people in life and they don't accept it, don't appreciate it, don't respect it. You know what I mean? Them think they're foreign and pick up money You know what I mean? And things at time get harder now and like one time before. As you all know, you see me, and who a foreign experience, whether you get deported or not. You know foreign is like, you know what I mean? So, and that brother basically I said, stop calling phone because some people just ring up him phone on a pandemic time, you know what I mean? Corona, no people lose them job, you know what I mean? My job cut down as well, you know? My job cut down as well. It's not like frequent as before because, you know what I mean? So, enough people now have a job. Enough people wonder where them bills are come from, them, or them go pay them rent, or them go do this, or them, you know what I mean, for them kids, and luckily school is closed. But people still ring up your phone, can I do it? I remember I said, you have immediate family who will take care of. So that rather basically I said, stop ringing phone, but the people are ringing phone right now because you're all big ass, what do I say England? Big ass real old man or woman or whatever, big people, go and try to fend for yourself. You know, or they go hunt and stop sitting and depend upon somebody else to stretch out them hands to you, you know what I mean? And when they can't do it, you cuss them and put them down. I would say people in America come out talking the same thing, you know what I mean? Regarding towards families and friends and you see me? So touching next topic now.
Ninja man a ninja, me na Honda, me na Yama. Ninja man a ninja, no Suzuki, no Katana. Ninja man a ninja, me a police, me a soldier, me a the general, me a no push over. Well, man, with the sayers like the run of them a Kenya. Yeah, from the start.
Rather we touch the next topic about Ninja Man. Some of you rather Rugi say.
Oh, nobody not talk about Ninja Man. The great legend, the great pioneer. Oh, nobody not talk about Ninja Man, brethren. Brother, I'm going to do that thing quick, brother. I say Ninja Man go a country, don't give woman house. I say Ninja don't give 1 foot man house and food. So brother, take out my glass to that video. So brethren, no man can do a video and say Ninja Man a good you. One little rare them set up and rare. Nobody remember good Ninja Man. Brother, some man stop calling my phone because same thing gonna do to me too, you know. Wanna do me, you know. Wanna sell me out for brother and butter, you know. I wanna sell out, brother. I pay good people, I wanna sell out. Great Ninja Man. Well, make a walk, go a sting. Nobody remember Ninja Man. Ninja Man get on out. You see the man get on bun and cheese in the rain. You see the man feeding like how God feed on the virgin. And nobody remember Ninja Man, brother. It hurt and wicked, brother. Ninja Man a good youth, brother. I mean, I want to do a video in the eyeglass and if see my eyes virgin and see my heart, brother. Brother, we need to stand up because no one we're not perfect, you know. We are human being, things happen, virgin. Remember the great thing we are man, the brother. Quick and fast, me I do a video, brother. 1 foot man do a video, brother, and big up Ninja Man, brother. The woman Ninja Man get the house, brother, when you own a house. What? Do something and big up Ninja Man, brother. What can't make the man name just God, so brethren. I tell you straight, brother. Do something for Ninja Man. Talk about Ninja Man. Keep the man name pumping, brethren. Ninja Man a good youth, brother. No man remember Ninja Man, brother. Nobody remember Ninja. Ninja real. Youth never walk through a planet, brother. I mean, I tell you the good soldier them get the fight, brother. Cause the amount of bun and cheese and bread and butter, I see them and they pack up in them car go a country to give people and help people, brother. You see me I say the youth does make a little way, and you understand? Like the man do nothing, brother, cause nobody not see the man do nothing, brother. We're not too business about that. Cause I'm not business about people, you know. That me I tell a man, you know. Me I talk to me say how the man broke him bun and cheese and him bread and butter and give people clothes and barrel and everybody they pan Linja and what. So nothing I go on them and remember the garden, brother. Brother not for free up. I want some man, brother, know say yo, Ninja Man a real youth, brother. I mean no bag of long talking, brother. Cause anything we do right now a history. Cause the people have them eyes, man, flitters, cause they taught the truth. And the truth, brother. Remember Ninja Man, man. Remember the garden. Remember the bread where the youth broke, brother. And stop fight against real people, brother. When you see a man have a hard time, broke the brother and share it. And you need to embrace that person, brother. Stop fight against a good, hardcore at Jamaica, the root of Jamaica. Please, me, I'm going to Jamaica. Now, the time I want to get together, and brother, and so I go on. Get together and unite as one nation, one country, one Jamaica. Black people, me I talk to. Now, the time at 21 years, me I tell them, brother. And see it at me there. Find on yourself here. Please find on yourself, brother. This is the last day, brother. Last day, find on yourself and love each other. And love the real youth that will stand up for Jamaica, brother. Just get together and keep Ninja Man on a prayer, brother. No man did not talk about Ninja Man, brother. And brother, I not want to get in it, brother, because he's a man chewing up it. Brother, I want to big up Ninja Man, brother. Talk about Ninja Man, brother. And the fritters. A fritters, because I don't have much to say, brother. That's a fritters. A ragga brother. People, peace and love, brother. But I cook some food right now, brother. Corona, go on where you got to, man. The people that look food and eat food and make them money, brother. Tired of that dirty thinking girl named Corona, man. Go on where you got Corona, dirty name, virgin. I mean, I believe in a name, a dirty girl. Go on where you got poor people that eat food and come out of their mouth, virgin. I need a 2 month of dirty girl who sit down and I'm chop. Yo, people, chop. Yo, peace and love here. Because you know me as a man who me chop. Get behind me, Satan. Please, get behind me. Me do God will. Go on where you go carry on. Every time you hear your name, virgin, I'm dirty girl. Every time you hear your name, just get for me head, brother. Go on, come out of my house. Fritters here. Love God and live, brother. Hate him and die, brother. Peace. Ninja Man, you're real. Keep strong, brother. Big up all of the artists, then. Wife Cartel, same way. You see me? It's love. All of the youth them when they are prison. Love same way. All of the youth them when I walk street. Love same way. Just keep it one black love and just behave on yourself. Just behave on yourself and just hold the thing. And just know say, yo, things happen, you know how to do it again. That F wanna do it, you know how to do it again. Just make things dead and just I could live as one nation, brother. I cook some food and I love everybody. Peace and love. Corona, make the people go to them food. Go on where you go. I'm the king of stages. Peace. Love. Big D. Big up yourself too. Whole team. Peace. Fritters. Adios. I'm out. Thanks. Peace to everyone.
Alright, my people, you see Ragga Rogie talk again. I say, yo, big up Ninja Man. And enough people forgot Ninja Man, see? I know say Ninja Man is one of the veteran them who set it. You know what I mean? For his known gun lyrics them and his melodramatic lyrics, you know what I mean? I know he's a very funny person, you know what I mean? Very melodramatic style, you know, and in gun lyrics and in bad man image and you know Ninja Man are real general. I remember when I was a youth again in a pain land. See, and I'm a young boy, 12. See, in the 80s. Yeah. Remember, one memory we have of Ninja Man when the war go on election business and Ninja Man come in a pain land. See, and I sing free food ticket and them things. You get me? That's the only memories we have of Ninja Man. Close up, being close to him as a youth, looking up and I say, Ninja Man at the place. See? Very humble. But over the years now, Ninja Man has, you know, he's a very icon in the business. Enough youth him help and advise and he's very jovial, you know, someone believing in God. You know what I mean? I know once he was a pastor, so going to the church and brother Desmond, you know what I mean? But his real name, you know what I mean, John Ballantyne. You see me, Desmond, John Ballantyne, and then otherwise known as Ninja Man. Big up yourself, brother. Ninja Man was sentenced in 2017 for murder, life sentence, you know. I mean, I said, John, guilty or not guilty, I don't know, but, you know, he was, like him noted that got happened about himself or anything, you know, I know he was under the pressure for like, he was pointing finger at Leng, but the Leng was the cause for him and Rapid Cartel sentencing because of Sting and them sabotage and all them things. Big up Ninja Man that Ninja Man has done so much for the music industry, you know what I mean? And before the end of this video, I put a few clippings that I recorded off YouTube, you know what I mean? Going back in some of the great moments them and the ones that I enjoyed watching as well. You know what I mean? So big up Ninja Man and go on all the faith, brother. Living on a free food ticket. Not a money in the pocket, not a cent in a but a way we are gonna do. Me not gonna rap. You see me? Yeah man, Ninja Man. You see it? Big up Ninja Man. Numerous hits and them and their freestyle king on stage. I can't kill them. They don't go so easy. You get me? Yeah, I say big up Ninja Man and go and hold them. Freedom is a must, Papa. I know when you come around with your legacy, still stands out, see? So you don't know, stay safe. I will see you in a jail, you clean every day, same way. Clocks by your feet. You see me? You have a money I spend same way. So big up your family on my road and big up everybody and peace and love my people. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And don't I say big up Fritters Boss once more. Big up everybody that's living in love. And that Ninja Man say, yo, stay away from gun and crime. See me? Yeah man, and I don't know, I'm gonna put some video at the end so you can watch me Ninja Man and refresh back on the memories. All I am for you know. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Yeah me I say man. peace. Alright? Full shots. I'm out.
Ninja man a ninja, me no Honda, me no Yama. Ninja man a ninja, no Suzuki, no Katana. Ninja man a ninja, me a no police, me a no soldier, me a the general, me a no push over. Run man a, sprint a say you like the run of them a Kenya. Say you from the start to the business. You should have died for your breezy session, for your testy eye power. Sound boy, you hear me? You should have died for your breezy session, and this your gargan sound in here. You hear me? When I was a little stereo, I listened to some champion. Jamaica, champion yard. Me love me little island, although things hard. They say you can't wait it if you open a mouth. And when you come from determine if you get a job. When the thing them a beat and we beat like the year. We still in the street like asphalt every year. We straight like a rock and when you play man up